Hello guys, welcome back. I haven't done a summer tutorial. I always do one or two, something that's a little more light. This is perfect for the beach, the pool, any kind of water activity where you want some longevity. You want like a little bit of something to the face, but you still want it to look pretty natural looking. So I was able to fit everything in this baggie minus one of my sprays. But just to show you, since I took everything out already, I wanted makeup that you can just throw in your baggie and take with you, especially a powder for touch-ups. And then you guys are gonna know my favorite lip cheek combo. And everything fits in this cute little bag. That to me is the perfect summer makeup where it's really simple, not too many products, but you have just this beautiful, fun, playful look. If you guys wanna see this tutorial, keep watching. I found it at one of my local hometown stores. It's so cute, perfect for the beach, perfect for the pool. I'm keeping this makeup very minimal. It's summery, I want longevity, I want some glow to it, and I just wanted to keep it overall very simple. So for my body, I'm wearing the Gisou Honey Infused Body Oil, but this one is the one with shimmer. So pretty. I love this bottle and just holding it in my hands. The shape of it just fits perfectly in the palm of my hands. So I have this all over my chest and my arms. I tend to do something like that for the summer. For the lips, you will also notice that a lot of these products match my bathing suit and my cover up today. And my bathing suit, it's hard to see, but it's from Monday Swim. It's so cute. I love Monday Swim. Their price point is definitely more pricey, but I like how they have just really unique colors, and then also there's just different types of tops and bottoms. I feel like a lot of other brands that have swimsuits, you only have maybe one or two options, but this one is so great if you have a smaller bust or even a larger bust. Wearing the e.l.f. Squeeze Me lip balm. I'm almost done on the lips, just to prep everything. Also kept my hair natural, wavy. Did have to blow dry just so I would be ready for today's video, but usually I do something like this for the beach, since for the most part I actually go into the water or at the pool. Like, I like to swim. I'm like one of those girls where I actually enjoy going into the water. So then after that, I have this newer sunscreen from Naturium. Again, matches so nicely with what I'm wearing. This one is the UV Reflect Antioxidant SPF 50. This one is very runny. I would say it's very similar to the Summer Fridays one, but more affordable. I think the biggest difference is when you're applying it to the skin, it definitely has more of a slip to it. You see a lot of glow going on, where the Summer Fridays one feels a little more milky. But both SPFs are very light and no white cast. I am going to add some primer today. Sometimes my SPF is my primer, but since I'm going to the beach, I want a little more longevity. So this is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. This is the one that I showed you guys in my recent video. I don't like wearing foundation to the beach, but I do want just a hint of color to my skin, so I would go in with something like this. This is the Essence Match Filter Glow Booster. And then I think I'm just going to apply the tiniest bit of concealer. I have this one breakout like right here, and it's very uncomfortable. And I use one of those patches like right here above the lip, and it worked really well, but I think I have to do it for a couple more days for it to actually be completely gone. But I love this product. I also showed this product in my previous video as well. Sometimes I'll add a bronzing serum if I feel like my face doesn't match like the rest of my body. Like my arms, my shoulders have gotten quite dark these last couple weeks. This one is from Physicians Formula. I like how this one is not too pigmented, and it smells like all of the butter products. You can also just mix this in with your moisturizer as well. You don't need much of a tint. Like with that Essence product, you can just go in with the bronzing serum. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer. This one is Tower 28 right here. I think where else? Usually for the beach, I don't really mind any imperfections showing. Well, I'll just apply a tiny bit right here. I had some breakouts before, and that's really it. I keep my under eyes pretty bare. And then going in with a concealer brush. This one is from Rare Beauty. This brow combo is so good. I'm wondering if this Maybelline one could be a dupe for the Rare Beauty Clear Brow Gel, but this one is a really great Maybelline product. It's newer. It's the Super Lock Brow Glue in Clear, but it performs and it looks, as far as like the application of it, just like the Rare Beauty one. Even Even when I'm wearing no makeup, I still like to do my brows and give a little more shaping to them, even if it's just using clear brow gel, just because it makes my brows look a little more full. I'm just gonna let that gel set and we'll move on to the next products. These are my favorite combo. Anything with the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint and then with a Gisou lip oil. I haven't found one for the light pink Gisou lip oil. All the other colors I have found one, which is the red one, which I showed you guys in my e.l.f. watermelon collection video. But this combo, which was the first combo that I found during spring. So I like going in with the Milk Makeup product first. I just go right over, get some tint to the lips. A tint is perfect for a beach day, a boat day, just something that you don't want to reapply throughout the day. You can just do it once and you'll be good to go. And then for the cheeks, I like to go in with a brush, dab it on, and because it's a stain, I'll know it will last a lot better than a powder or a cream blush. And then whatever I have left, I just like to go on the nose. I still like blush on the nose. I think it's really pretty, especially for summer looks. It also gives that look like you've been out in the sun for a while. And then on top of that, going in with the Gisou tinted lip oil in Mango Passion Punch. This one is my favorite shade out of all of them. And I love this combo because as the oil fades, you still have a beautiful tint underneath. So this will give a tint to your lips, but the Milk Makeup, that will just give more longevity. And then moving on to brows, just to fill them in. This is my third one in just this year. So I've had these for, when did I discover them? Maybe like 5 months ago. And I've gone through 3. It's from Benefit. It has great longevity. I wouldn't say it's waterproof. I think they said it's like water resistant, but it does last a really long time. Like I wear this for my agility class, when I play pickleball. It does last a really long time. I'm trying to think if there's a drugstore dupe to this. I just like how thin it is. Maybe the closest thing would be like that e.l.f. brow pencil, but even that one, I still don't think it's as thin as this one. That's the reason why I like it so much. I tried some of my other drugstore brow products and this one's just superior because of how thin the tip is. I'm not filling them in too much where they're super dark since I'm keeping the eyes very bare. This is a no mascara kind of look. I don't like wearing mascara when I go to the beach, even if it's waterproof. I just don't want to worry about it. So a lot of times when I'm in the water, I'm rubbing my eyes, especially if it's a pool with chlorine or if it's the beach, the salt water. I just don't want to have to worry about it. This look is almost done, but it's looking a little too glowy in certain areas. So I like going in with a setting powder that's translucent. This one is from N Cosmetics. It's the Portrait Setting Powder, my personal favorite. I just bought a replacement for this one. It's so good. I also use this on my wedding day for touch-ups. So I just like putting it just in areas like right here under the eyes, or anywhere I applied my concealer. These are kind of the looks I go for even when I'm not going to the beach. So if I'm just kind of doing errands, I'd kind of go for something like this. In the sense where I don't do anything to my eyes. I wear a blush or wear something glossy on the lips, kind of keep it more simple. I just find this powder to look very natural looking and not heavy. Much better. I'm almost done with this powder. I've hit pan like months ago. I took a break from it because I didn't know the next time I was gonna make an M Cosmetics purchase, but this one's so good. And to finish it all off, we're gonna talk about a brand new product that was just released a few days ago. I went on M Cosmetics. They did like a live shopping. I don't know if you guys have ever purchased when you do live, but they released this early and I got a bottle, and then M Cosmetics ended up sending me a bottle, so now I have 2 bottles and I've been really enjoying this. So this is not just for makeup, you can also use it for skin prep or just kind of in between just to freshen up your skin. This is the Divine Water Perfecting Mist. It smells so lovely. I can't remember what the scent is, but it's on the website. I think they sold out last weekend, but I'll have to check to see if it's available, but of course it'll be linked down below. It's a really nice mist. It's definitely more powerful than the e.l.f. Dew Mist, the Power Grip Dew Mist, that one. I would say it's slightly more powerful than the Peach and Lily one too. I love that one as skin prep. That's what I used this morning. You definitely feel this on the skin. Like you can even see that I applied it on, but once it sets in, it's not gonna look so glowy, but it's just a nice way to refresh your skin. I think this is also a great product just to take with you. I wish they made a smaller bottle. I might just have to put this in a random smaller bottle so it can fit in a baggie like this. This is my beach makeup look. Very simple, glowy, it's fun, it's playful. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys want to see more fashion and beauty content from me, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!